how I do programmatic SEO to get clients. So programmatic SEO, if you don't know, it's very cool because you can create one page and use that page for everything else you do, but just changing some keywords. So for example, let's say you sell software for local restaurants. So the best things that you can do is to create a page with all the text, pain points, solution, etc. And just change few things with few keywords. So for example, you will change just the city. You will change some data of that city that you can find database online to do it. And what you can do is create this page. So best software to manage the order for every table in, and you put Rome, Naples, Turin, Florence. So also just by creating one page, you get traffic from all the cities that you can sell your software. So basically this is a programmatic SEO, and with the one template and few keywords, you get indexed by Google for all these pages that you created. Also, this is one, they multiply for, if you put it 10 city, they multiply in 10 pages. And that's a very cool thing because you just create one and you edit once for all the pages. That's amazing. So I want to show you how I do programmatic SEO, how I did for my services, and how you can do it too. So first of all, I moved everything from I had my website on WordPress, and then I moved to thanks to Cloud Code, I moved everything to Cloudflare, and so I built my website from scratch with code. So in this case, as you can see here, I want to show you, first of all, this is my blog. I didn't write anything of this. It's everything written by AI, and I receive a lot of traffic on this. I want to show you some dashboard. Here is when I started to implement programmatic SEO. So basically this here. And I created all these pages, are more than 200 or 300 pages in less than 1 day. And then more like day by day, I was publishing automatically those pages. So this is actually the blog here, not all the articles, but as you can see here, I have also other programmatic pages like the free tool. And if we're going actually to see the free tools, those are tools plus SEO plus, as you can see, these are all the same template and change just few things. And I did this with, as I was telling you, Cloud Code. So I created a basic. So as you can see, I want to show you the template. These are blog post layout. These are landing page layout, case studies layout, resources pages, solution pages. Everything is a template. And what changed is just actually the content that is inside. So some might be some text, some just some keywords. And as you can see here, I have some alternative page of my competitors. Then I even have the blog post here. These are all written in MD files, so it is better for AI to read them and also to index them on and easy for other AI like ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, Perplexity to find online when they're looking for information. So it's pretty simple to set up this, and you can only do with Cloud. So what to ask Cloud is to, depends on when you have your blog, but you can have also your website somewhere else, and maybe the pages and blog / or tools resources / under Cloudflare, for example. So it's pretty easy. I will not show you all the process here, but basically you will just tell Cloud to build the template for programmatic SEO. He will build for you a page and then JSON file to fill in all these keywords and data that you want to insert in those pages. So when you have to create a page, you just create the JSON file. This is just an example, and I have the same page for example, Shopify and WooCommerce, but this is the same page, same text. You see, what does change here is just Shopify, WooCommerce change the image, but everything here is the same, like the same. Nothing changed if not this, but these pages are indexed on Google as 2 pages. Also, if they're the same, but because the search intent change. So maybe someone is looking for a Shopify 3D configurator in this case, or a WooCommerce 3D configurator. Well, I catch both of the people that are looking for these tools because my tool offer the solution for both. So that's why programmatic SEO is very convenient and amazing to use. And if you want to use programmatic SEO and want someone to build your inbound system, click the link below to work with me.